How to stop iPhone videos raising brightness. Now let's jump straight into the process. Firstly, open up your settings application. Here we go. Now over here you will find different options. Scroll down. You will find the option of accessibility. Open it. Now from here you have to select the option of display and text size. Open it. Now scroll down to the bottom. You can find this option of auto brightness. Now you have to toggle off this option of auto brightness. Turning off auto brightness may affect battery health and long-term display performance. Now you are good to go. In the case you don't want to enable this feature within the videos that you were sending, then what you need to do is go back, hit towards the option of camera, open it, scroll on to the bottom. You can find this option of Smart SDR. Toggle off this option for Smart SDR. Now the last thing you can do is update those apps in which you get this auto brightness problem. So you can open up your app store. And now here you can search for the app in which you get this kind of problems. And by updating those apps, your problem might be fixed. This is how you stop iPhone videos raising brightness. If you find this video helpful, at the end make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.